Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone 14 Pro Max and let me show you how to change mail signature on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select mail. Okay, so here it is. And now go a bit lower where you will find signature, smoothly marker. Now you can remove the default one and enter customize signature. So for example, let me enter with love, hard reset, and then some emoji at the end. Then go back, and as you can see it is already applied. So from now on, under every message you will find this signature instead of sent from my iPhone. So that's it. This is how you can change mail signature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.